I'm Tracy Seed and I teach nonviolent communication. I offer an NVC intermediate training, which is trauma and NVC. I offer this with another trainer, with Darren DeWitt. And we've worked together for many years now. It gives us an opportunity to talk about stress and trauma and how that impacts or gets in the way of us sharing NVC. And also to understand the conditioned responses or the default responses that we may have when we're feeling challenged or in conflict or we've been conditioned with over time, maybe from childhood. And also to understand that underlying those are sometimes trauma wounds that may need another modality, not NVC, or in addition to NVC. So it gives us an opportunity to talk about that, to explore that, to engage in some practices that brings more awareness to what's happening in the moment, in present time, when situations rise, and how that can be coloured